Hi friends, today I'll be talking to you about the standard unit, standard units of length, and I will also be discussing about the multiples of meter and submultiples of meter. So right now, standard unit. A unit which is acceptable to majority of the people as a basic unit of measurement is called standard unit. The scientists all over the world have accepted a basic set of units for measuring basic physical quantities. That is measurement of mass, measurement of length, measurement of time, measurement of temperature, etc., etc. This set of units is called Standard International System of Units. It is generally referred to as SI system of unit. Now, standard units of length. According to the SI system of units, the fundamental unit of length is meter, METRE. In short form, meter is written as small m. As you see on the screen, definition of meter. It is the length between two fine marks on a metal bar made of platinum iridium alloy. Alloy is a kind of metal which is made by mixing two types of metals together. Here, platinum and iridium, these two metals are mixed together and made an alloy. This bar is maintained at constant temperature and is placed on two rollers. It is kept near Paris in France. Now, multiples and submultiples of meter. The meter is not convenient unit for expressing long lengths. For example, the distance between Raipur and Bhilai, or distance between New Delhi to Amritsar. It is not convenient to express these distance in meters, and it is far more convenient to say that the distance between Amritsar and New Delhi is 470 kilometer, or a distance from Raipur to Bhilai is 30 kilometer. Here, word kilo stands for 1000. In this way, 1 kilometer stands for 1000 meters. That is, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Some lengths are much smaller than a meter. For example, the length of pencil is much smaller than a meter. And so, it is inconvenient to express such small lengths in meters. A pencil is of length 0.15 meter or 3 by 20 meter. To express such small lengths, submultiple of meter is used. It is called centimeter, which is in short it is denoted by small c, small m of English alphabet. The word centi means 100th part. 100th part means 1 by 100. Thus, 1 centimeter is 100th part of meter. In other words, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Or we can say 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. Some lengths are even smaller than the centimeter. Then, what to do? For example, thickness of coin is generally far smaller than the centimeter. To express such a small lengths conveniently, we use another submultiple of meter that is called as millimeter, and it is denoted by mm of English alphabet, small alphabets. The word milli means 1000th part, that is 1 by 1000. Thus, 1 millimeter is 1,000th part of a meter. In other words, 1 meter is equal to 1000 millimeter. And or we can say that 1000 millimeter is equal to 1 meter, and 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. All right. So this, if you look at meter scale, it has 100 divisions. Each division is equal to 1 centimeter. Furthermore, each centimeter has 10 more divisions, and each division is equal to 1 millimeter. So, for today, this much only, my dear children. We'll meet again with some new topics in the new video. Till then, take care.